Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Samsung TV not working YouTube. Let's go. Open Smart Hub. Settings. Network. Check your internet connection. If the internet's fine, then open Apps, Settings, YouTube. Reinstall. Open YouTube app. That's it. Now you know how to fix Samsung TV not working YouTube. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.